Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In one of my previous videos, we discussed the reason behind Indian Navy's intention to reduce the carrier-borne aircraft count to 36 from 57. We also did a high-level comparison between the two most strong contenders for this particular RFI, which were the Boeing F-18 Super Hornet Block 3 and Dassault Rafale M. The Super Hornet and Dassault Rafale M are competing against MiG-29K and a variant of Swedish Gripen. This video is just to see all the strong facts and points due to which I feel the Boeing F-18 Super Hornet should be selected by Indian Navy for the carrier-based aircrafts deal. So let us quickly go through on what Boeing has to say about their fighters. The first major requirement for Indian Navy's carrier-borne aircrafts is its ability to take off using the ski jump in the aircraft carriers. Sources have revealed that Boeing fighters have carried out extensive tests and software analysis to show that it can operate with the required load from ski jump carriers. And as per the recent update, the Super Hornet has been flying off a ground-based ski jump at Naval Air Station in Maryland to prove their capability. Though it is not clear when exactly it has begun, but the Super Hornet has been flying off these ground-based ski jump to prove its capability. Boeing completed extensive analysis and more than 150 flight simulations on F-18 compatibility with Indian aircraft carriers. And while the assessment has shown that the Block 3 Super Hornet is very capable of launching off a ski jump, it also provides an added margin of safety. According to Boeing, these fighters can perform virtually every mission in the tactical spectrum, including air superiority, day and night strike with precision guided weapons, fighter escort, close air support, suppression of enemy air defense, maritime strike, forward air control, and even buddy refueling. Not just that, as per Boeing, there are more than 700 F-18 Hornets and Super Hornets in service, and these Block 3 Super Hornet will offer superior economics to the Indian Armed Forces in the form of low cost of acquisition, operations, and high mission readiness. Coming to the key features which was provided by Boeing for the Indian Navy, Boeing Super Hornet are capable of tactical strikes, air defense, and maritime roles with better capability than other fighters. These fighters have enhanced computing and data link along with advanced cockpit systems. One more major thing is the lowest cost per flight hour among all US tactical fighters in production. The high mission capability rates and unrivaled growth potential to complement future air wing capability is one of the major power for the Boeing Super Hornet. So looks like these Super Hornets would be a game changer since it offers Indian Navy a unique capability in the form of an advanced combat proven multi-role which is fully compatible with the Indian Navy carriers. Designed as a carrier-based fighter for high loading, high stress operations, these fighters will offer impressive low cost per flight hour with high mission readiness. So, to summarize the Boeing Super Hornets capability and features according to Boeing's website, these fighters have 40 years of legacy of carrier based operations, 1.5 million plus flight hours since 2008, 10,000 plus hours of airframe life, 400 plus sales opportunities, and 700 plus flights delivered all around the world. So, what are your comments about this particular aircraft from Boeing? Is it going to be the best fit for Indian Navy for their aircraft carriers? As we know that Boeing has developed the Block 3 Super Hornet to complement existing and future air wing capabilities. Please leave your comments in the comment section of this particular video. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. Thank you.